Why, hello and welcome to this little video that I've put together for you today. I have somebody that I think you're really going to love hearing from, and that's my friends Amy Harrop and Debbie Drum, and they just introduced me to something that I've been actually looking for, and that is a very fast way, a software tool that will put together lots of different types of quiz books, cheat sheets, things like this very quickly, and that's it, kind of drag and drop. And so number one, I'm so glad that you all are doing this. So can you tell me what the name of this thing is and basically what it does? Oh, I wanted to introduce we got Debbie Drum here. Hey, Debbie.
Hi.
And Amy.
Hello.
So Amy, can you tell us a little bit about the Insta Content Creator?
Yeah, sure. Instant Content Generator is a really easy to use drag and drop tool that helps you create pages that can be part of your book, or whatever you want to do with them. Things like worksheets, journal pages, checklists, cheat sheets, things like that. So you can add in more low content, interactive content where the reader is responding to your book or whatever it is that you're putting together or publishing.
Right. And, I guess one of the cool things about this, Deb, is the fact that you can very quickly have an idea or create some sort of a workbook based on either your book or maybe some other hot trend, like maybe paleo dieting or something like that. And you could do that pretty quick with the Instant Content Creator, right?
Yeah, we have found that people just love consuming these, simple one-page short documents that they can just refer to. Like, for example, I created just like a checklist on what to do with when you put up a video and go on YouTube Live. Like, what are the steps that you need to take? And it's like, yep, did that. And these are the things that you could be providing to your customers, your subscribers, to make their lives easier, and they'll love you for it.
Exactly. And the other really interesting thing that I love about this little software tool is it's so versatile. Amy mentioned, you could do lots of, checklists and cheat sheets, quizzes and so forth, which I love, by the way. And I love them because they help my reader, or your reader in this case, to actually consume and get value out of the material, which in the final analysis was what we should all be about anyway, right? And that's the one thing I love about this thing. But Amy, it's not just about creating one pages, right? You could actually create books out of this, like no content books, right?
Definitely. It comes with some options where you continually can add in blank pages. You can also duplicate pages. It also has the ability to save your projects and reload them, which is great because you can create your basic templates and then reuse them again. And then for export, it does PNG or PDF. So in terms of building a book, you can create your PDF right from it. Or if you want to, do some more stuff, you can put your PNGs into Word and then build out your book. So it definitely has a lot of options.
Oh, wow. That's actually an awesome idea. So again, it goes back to what we were talking about earlier. I mean, this thing gives you lots and lots of versatility in being able to crank out content very quickly and get it published. Because as we all know, the more high quality content that you can get out and actually publish with a buy button, right? So people can go buy your stuff and money goes into your bank account. I mean, I think that gets us all excited, right? But let me ask you this. I'll go back to you, Amy. One of the things that I love, and in fact, am currently profitably doing, is I actually love putting together card decks and actually publishing them and selling them on Amazon. Can you this little tool can do this sort of thing as well, right?
Right. We have a couple different page sizes for your designs, and two that we wanted to include were two different sizes of card decks. So you can put together card deck designs quickly and then, use those to create and build your card decks. And I agree with you. I mean, card decks are fantastic because it's a great market to be in because you can use very little content. You can build off what you already have. And it's also a great place because not a lot of people are doing them.
Right.
And it's great to be in because of that too.
Absolutely. So, and one of the other things, Deb, I wanted to ask you about is this thing has a it has a way for you to actually get a developer's license. I believe that's an upsell. Can you tell folks why and what that is and why they may want the upsell?
Yeah, sure. I mean, the great part about this tool is that you can make money in all different ways. And it's funny because usually like the simplest things that people do make the most money. So you can actually, create your own cheat sheets for your own business or worksheets, whatever you want to create, but you can also create them for other people and actually charge people to have you create the templates for them. Right? So you can create the content and you can do the work and you can resell your creations, which is great.
It is cool. And so basically what I'm hearing is that if you work with authors or you want to work with other authors or content creators, then you might want the developer's license. And I think it's really the whole package. If you got everything, which I think is there's only one upsell, the package price. I'm sorry, the software price. And we've got that on special because we did a very special deal here with Amy and Deb, but just a little bit more for the upsell. So can you tell folks about Amy, I'll go back to you. Can you tell folks about the deal that we put together for them? And I know it's further down the page, so you go check it out further down the page. But tell us about the deal.
Yeah, this is a great deal. Normally, Instant Content Generator is $27, but because you are a VIP and a subscriber for Daniel, we are giving you a limited time offer at $19.95, so you can grab this. And then you will then also, of course, have the opportunity after that to check out the upsell, which is the developer's license and some live training from Deb and me and some other really cool things.
Awesome. All right. Anything else that we need to add other than to just look down this page, check it out? Anything else we need to add to that?
This is for Macs or PCs. We do have two different, so it doesn't really matter what computer you're on. You can use it for either a Mac or a PC. So I wanted to mention that.
Awesome. All right. And Deb, anything else you wanted to tell folks before we tell them to go check out the rest of the page?
Yeah, no, it's fun. It's exciting. You can use your creativity and you can make money at the same time, and it'll allow you to do that quickly and easily. So we're really excited about this, and we look forward to seeing you inside.
Cool. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And it's when I see a little software like this that could really diminish the amount of hours, time, and effort to figure out how to do this. That's why I love this little software, is it really is drag and drop easy. And if you are a technophobe, or perhaps you lack sophistication when it comes to things technical or design wise, you're gonna love this particular little software. So again, check it out down the page here. There's a demo video, and oh, by the way, if you see at the top of this page a countdown timer, when that goes down to 0, the price does go back up. So if you decide to get it, go ahead and get it right now while you're thinking about it. Thanks. I really appreciate you guys putting this together and also taking time to talk with my community.
Thank you.